In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename pages in Confluence. If you've ever needed to clean up a wiki, clarify a page's purpose, or align your documentation with a new naming convention, renaming a page is a quick and safe task in Confluence. I'll walk you through it step by step, explain a few key rules that Confluence enforces, and share a couple of tips so you don't accidentally ping your whole team with notifications. First, open Confluence and navigate to the page you want to rename. Make sure you're actually on the page you intend to update, since the title is what people see in search results and in your space's page tree. You'll need the right permissions in that space to do this. Specifically, you must have add or edit permissions. If you don't see the option to edit, you'll want to contact your space admin or site admin to grant access. Once you're on the page, enter edit mode. You can do this by clicking the edit button near the top of the page. Or, if you like shortcuts, just press the letter E on your keyboard. Inside the editor, look to the very top where the page title sits above the content area. Click directly into that title field to place your cursor there. Now type the new name you want for the page. Keep in mind that page titles must be unique within the same space. If a page with the exact same name already exists in that space, Confluence will prompt you to choose a different title. A clear descriptive title helps teammates find the right content faster, so consider including keywords your audience would search for. Before you publish, think about notifications. By default, saving the change can notify page watchers. If you'd rather not send an alert for a simple rename, uncheck the Notify Watchers option in the editor. This is especially helpful when you're doing multiple housekeeping updates. By the way, because Confluence is a web-based tool, you'll find the official link right at the top of the description for easy access. When you're happy with the new name, click Publish to save your changes. Confluence will update the page title everywhere it appears, including your space's page tree and search results. Even better, any links pointing to the old page title are automatically updated behind the scenes, so your teammates won't encounter broken links. That's all there is to it. You've successfully renamed a page in Confluence, kept your space organized, and avoided link headaches. If you found this helpful, don't forget to check the link in the description to open Confluence, and subscribe for more quick how-tos. Thanks for watching.